Alright, y'all see what we went got here. The Husky 2-gun kit. We're gonna be using the HVLP gun. Let's go ahead and crack him open. Let's see what we got up in here. Like that. Husky gave us a nice box with it. Let's go ahead and open it up. See what all we got up in here. Alright, y'all see it come with all the cleaning tools. The manual. Put him to the side. So this is our HVLP gun. Go ahead and take our caps off. Looks like good quality. Feels really good. Trigger got a nice spring back to it. They gave you 2 cups with it. The bigger one, 600 cc. And then we got the small ones right here, 120. We got the regulator, some regulators that as well that came with it. Come with 2 of them. A little piping tape. Go ahead and screw our container onto our gun. Okay. Get us a little applied on our gun. All right, we got that. Go ahead and put your regulator on. Put us a little thread sealant on the bottom end of this regulator on the male fitting side.
Use a barbecue. Come on, boy.
We'll screw our fitting on there. This kit also comes with a conventional gun as well, but we're not going to be using this one. It also has a 1.4 tip. Come with the regulators, filters, all of your cleaning tools. Put him to the side. Let's go ahead and tighten up this regulator. Let's set our gun. So we're gonna come back with our needle. Need to trigger a little squeeze. Tighten up your needle.
Stay, bro.
Right. These all the way tight. We got our air valve at the bottom. These all the way open. All right, let's go ahead and tighten this regulator up. Got him pretty tight. Tighten our air fitting up.
We gonna get after me.
All right. Got our fitting pretty tight. Y'all see, we ready to for action. We ready to try this thing out. All right, guys. One thing that I did notice with the gun, straight out the box, the regulator was leaking. So this is the regulator that we had on our Harbor Freight gun. We put a brand new water trap on it, and it's not leaking. It's spraying fine. So we spraying our paint at 25 psi. We're gonna go ahead on and get that set on our regulator. Okay, as you can see, we have a test panel right here that we spraying our fan pattern, testing it out at different settings, and we're just trying to see which one we'll be comfortable with spraying and applying this paint on our Monte Carlo. So I think it's a good gun, good affordable gun. If you like it, the link will be in the bio to purchase.